Hey guys, today I'm gonna be redoing my electrical outlet because I did it the other day and I had to redo it again. I busted my hand. I don't know if you guys can see it. That looks so bad. Let me see if I can shine down the light. Oh yeah, that looks so bad. Oof. I don't even know how the hell that happened, but it did happen. So yeah, I went out there. I was sanding it. I needed more power and I didn't want to make a mess inside the house. So let's see, it should fit a lot better now in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a lot better. Let me see if I could tap it down in here with the back of the hammer. Not the front, just the back. Hold on, let me put this towel on the floor so I could hit it real good. Trying to make sure that it's in there. Okay, so that's how it looks now. And now it's gonna go in there. Okay, let me get this out of the way. So now, let's go ahead and run the wire. Okay. Oh, I went too far. Come on, guy. Go right through. Go right through. Okay. That wire's coming out. So now that the wire is coming out, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is do this here. This thing here is waterproof and I got it from Home Depot. It's supposed to be pretty much everything proof. And then this is the other section that goes with it. So let's put it together, guys. Real quick, hopefully it works. I was doing it the other day, but I think that the outlet that I was using was messed up. So that's why I had to go and purchase another one. Okay, this screws are looking good. Yep. I'm reusing all of my old screws in here. And the way that we're gonna attach this to the wood is by using this and this like so and running it through the hole. So just so it doesn't move once it's attached to the wall. Okay. Let's do that first. It's gonna go. You have to find the place that you're gonna put it. I'm gonna put mine right here. So that's where I'm gonna put it. Yep, it's gonna go right down there. Okay, I'm ready for action. I also don't want to make a lot of noise because there are people sleeping right now. Ooh, ooh. Too much torque. You guys saw that. Yeah, so now, yeah, you can remove it. Perfectly secure. So now we're going to be doing this. We're going to be taking care of the wire. Actually, first, let me remove all that first. Remove all this crap out of the way so I could get in there. Let me see if I can get under there. Now you guys are gonna see my ugly mug. Hold on, guys. I don't even know how I'm gonna get down here, but here it goes. It's bad when you're a big man and you have to get into tight places. I hear people complaining, oh, I'm so short. I'm so short. I want to be a big guy. Let me tell you something. it's not that fun being a big guy, because I've been tall all my life, and tall people don't have that much fun. Because you're too tall, and then when you're too tall, every place is too small for you. But when you're just the right height, I guess I am the right height. I'm perfect. Oh Lord, thank you, God. Hold on, get this out of here. Sorry, man. It's taking some time. Come on, get out of there. Quickly now. Okay. So now let me strip this wires. Or not even the wires, take off the electrical tape. Careful, I don't want to slash my hand again. Or my leg. Okay. So again, we're gonna go with the same thing that we were doing yesterday. We're gonna try to do the hooks and hook them in there. Hopefully this is a better outlet. I don't know what happened to that outlet yesterday. This guy, you just gotta put them in the holes. It's a lot easier. You don't have to do the hook, I guess. So I guess that's what I will go with. Well, I don't need both of them. I'm only gonna do the bottom one. Okay. Righty tighty, lefty losing. Hold on, wait a minute. How is it that you do this? Yeah, I'm doing it right. Come on. Okay, so maybe I need more. More ground wire. Oh, is that enough ground wire? I need more. So I gotta peel it some more. Now let me cut the casing. This is very thick. The plastic that they put around the wire, super thick. Oh man, I hope I don't have to cut any more wire. I guess I will have to, because I forgot that yesterday I cut the Y wire too much. I forgot that incision that I made was too deep in there. And I ended up cutting the white wire by mistake. Maybe that's why it wasn't working and it was not the outlet, but I got a new outlet just to be safe. I don't want to keep doing this shit over and over again. So here we are. Hold on, let's see if we could peel it off. Man, I got the white wire again. I don't think that will be an issue. I didn't cut the wire, but I cut the casing of the wire. That could be where the problem is coming from. Let me see if I could just rip it right out of there. Kind of just like pushing it back. Black wire, white wire. Okay, cut them about the same length. Okay, now strip the tips. Try to make this look a little prettier. Cutting the excess plastic. Now stripping the wire. Okay. Next wire. Okay, so now loop-de-loop. Let me make that hook. Keep the hook straight. Okay. Let's see if I can hook this guy. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see how it's gonna go now. Try to fix the loop. I guess not. Let's see if I can use this to the loop. Okay. As you guys can see, I was trying to use the screwdriver to make the loop. See if I could make it more better. Yeah, and I want to strip that. It should just go right in. Come on, guy. Let me see if I could do the loop the other way then. This way. Okay, that worked. Now let's push it in there. Let me use a flathead without gouging my hand out. Okay. Okay. Now that the ground wire is ready, let's try to do the hot line, which goes in there. Hold on, you know what's funny? There's hot. Hold on. I made the ground wire too long. Sorry guys. But again, I'm trying to make this as perfect as I can. That way I don't have to redo it again in the future. Okay. Loop-de-loop. One more time. Okay. Here it comes. Okay, let's do it again. Hopefully it's not as big as it was before. Come on, guy. Come on. Okay, you went in there. Reality, you're the one that I want to put in there. Come on. Come on, go in there, you sucker. Okay, perfect, perfect. Okay. Now, tie it up, tie it up. Okay, a little tighter. Okay, so now the black one goes on the copper side. Let me tie it up. Okay, and now the white one goes on the other side. Let me tie it up. And then before I close everything, I'm gonna test it. Okay, I'm here. I'm done here. Don't touch anything. Because the power can come back at any time. That's my son. He's here. I gotta warn him. Just in case. Let me plug in my charger. That way when I come back, I'll see if my phone is charging or not. As soon as I do. Hold on, let me go. I gotta take the light with me so I can see the basement. phone charging, baby? Yeah, no charge. Who knows what's going on over there? Hold on, let me go back down there and check. I see no power here. Let me know if my phone is charging. It won't plug in. It's charging? Oh man, let me plug it in. I don't want to touch anything. Well, God knows. Only God knows why this is not. Oh, it's working. Yeah, guys. As you guys can see, I plug in my phone. Boom. We have electricity, baby. Give me 5. Oh, that was my wrist. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's do it in front of the camera so they see our high five. Yeah. Yeah. 2 days working on this. Finally. All right, so let me go turn off the light, baby. One more time. No, I can finish for real. Sorry, baby. Sorry, I know you wanted to go down there, but... Ooh, crotch. Oh, man. Okay. So, okay, there's no power, so I can go ahead and touch it. Remove it. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and organize all those wires somehow inside of this electrical box. We gotta put some at the bottom, some on the side, and then push. Oh man, don't tell me I left too much wire in there. I must have. Hold on, let me see if I can organize it in a way that it all fits nicely in here. Oh yeah. I think that's where it goes. Okay, so let's get to doing that. Let me see if I could move this to the side so you guys could get like an angle view. Let me see. Oh, that's in the way. Oh, hold on, everything's falling. Okay. Yeah, you guys can see what's going on. So now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to screw this back in here. Come on. This is the smallest hole ever. Man. I swear, way too many wires. And I don't want to have to cut the wires again. Oh, come on. It's aligned now. Perfectly aligned. Okay. Oh, not that perfect. Come on. Get in. Oh, yeah, perfect. Now let me do the other one. Align it. Align it with the hole. Whew. I'm sweating right now, guys. Mostly because I'm nervous because of the work that I'm doing. It's a very dangerous work with electricity. And I also the pressure because I did it yesterday and it didn't work. And also, I'm trying to do a good job. I don't want this to be a messed up. Even though it's DIY project, I should be hiring like a professional or somebody that knows what they're doing. But I have no experience with electricity other than the regular average man. But I'm doing my best right here to do this job. Okay, that's how it is. Okay, that's how it goes. And then we put this is waterproof because it comes with this sealed. Yeah, so water could drop from the sink or whatever, and it's not going to, you know, mess with anything. So now I gotta go ahead and seal it. Where is it? Oh my goodness. Where's that bag of screws? Oh, here it is. Oh, sorry. Here it is, guys. So now I'm supposed to, hold on. I think, come on. Put these 2 tiny screws through here to attach the compartment, and then we'll be done. Oh yeah. People are gonna love me for a very long time with my set of skills as a electrician. Okay, guys, okay. Oof. Come on. Oof. Now let's just do the bottom one. I feel it getting tighter, or I even see it getting tighter. Okay, so we're done. Now we're gonna put this cover right on top, and yeah, man, this is fucking great. We just finished. I'm sorry about cursing, baby, but we just finished. Oh man, I'm so happy. We have an outlet down here, and I'll be able to finish doing this kitchen because I'm redoing this because I want to put the stuff in here, the pots and the pan down here. So all of our cooking things down here. close that up there. Yeah, so now comes in here. It has this little thing that I'm gonna remove, and then yeah, let me go turn the power back on, test it, and I think we're done. Let me take this light back with me. Okay, let's test that again. Okay, you guys can see my phone. Yep, it's working great. I love it. Yep, guys, so that's pretty much it. That's how you install a outlet. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe and follow us along. We're basically just surviving, and knowing about electricity is an important part of surviving in the wild and in the concrete jungle. So thank you for watching. Take care, guys. Yeah, take another look. Looks so professional. PVC pipe, cool looking box. Yeah, the baby's whispering something. He says subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.